The muscle strength scale, known better as the Oxford Scale or Medical Research Council Manual Muscle Testing Scale, is a method used by practitioners to evaluate muscle strength, also called motor testing, muscle strength grading, and manual muscle testing. This method is part of a patient's neurological assessment. It helps practitioners identify muscle weakness or neurological disease in patients and aids in differentiating muscle weakness from loss of balance or lack of endurance. To add, practitioners may also use the scale to test the function of particular nerves such as the spinal nerve, ulnar nerve, and more. To use the muscle strength scale, practitioners pick a muscle group to test and then apply resistance to the chosen muscle group. The practitioners then will grade the muscle's response against gravity and/or resistance. Here is a list of some of the muscle groups practitioners usually test. Compared to other tests, no standardized template is provided for this test. For your benefit and convenience, we've created a muscle strength scale template for you to use as a guide, reference, and document to write down your patient's results. To use our free muscle strength scale, follow these steps. Download our muscle strength scale from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, fill out the required basic information and list down in the table provided in the template the muscle group you will test. Remember to record the results immediately after conducting the muscles test for the muscle group to prevent confusion or forgetfulness. Before you conduct the test, ensure that you check the muscles to see if the area has a bulk, remove clothes that can restrict movement or will cover the muscles being tested, and isolate the joint and muscle involved as much as possible. If the patient receives a low score and you suspect that there's a lesion, deformity, or something else, it's best to proceed with further testing before formulating a diagnosis or treatment plan. Here is a sample of our muscle strength scale, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our muscle strength scale, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.